Hey, what's up guys? It's Flex and welcome back. So today I'm going to be doing the first performance mod to this 2016 Mercedes-Benz W205 C300. What I'm going to be doing today is upgrading the turbo pipe leading into the intercooler. So why am I upgrading that part? Well, the stock turbo pipe is made of plastic and that absorbs a lot of heat. And you don't want hot air going into the intercooler and then into the engine. A colder air means more performance. Also, plastic over time tends to wear down, it tends to crack, it tends to fail, and it tends to fall apart. So upgrading that piece is definitely going to guarantee it's going to last a lot longer. So today I'm going to upgrade it to the Tornado Tuning full aluminum turbocharged pipe. And I want to thank Tornado Tuning for sponsoring this video and providing me with the product. And if you want more information on the product, I'll leave a link in the description below. So this new turbocharged pipe is definitely going to last a lot longer and it's going to keep the air colder going into the intercooler, going into the engine. Yes, it's not going to have crazy performance numbers, but when I go ahead and start upgrading more parts and pieces to the car, it's definitely going to come in handy to help support those mods. So let me go ahead and show you how I did the install. I'm going to start off by removing the engine cover, and then to remove the turbocharged pipe I need extra room, so I'm going to remove this pipe out of the way. Removing this is pretty easy. I'm just going to remove these two clamps, remove this hose, and remove this screw right over here. And then I can pull it right off. Now I'm going to completely remove these two hose clamps. And I'm just going to use a screwdriver to help me pry apart this silicone holding the turbocharged pipe in place. Now I can go ahead and yank the whole thing out. So here you can see the stock pipe and you can see the new pipe. The stock pipe is plastic, and again, over time, this piece right here or the whole thing will vibrate and that can fall apart. The new one, as you can see, the construction is really nice, full aluminum. This thing is quality. It also comes with this new spout. I'm going to plug that in right here, just like the stock one. That should be pretty easy. Comes with two new hose clamps and a new silicone sleeve. I got to go ahead and prep this before I can put it on the car. I'm going to start by removing the screw. And then on the bottom here, there's some inserts. That's where the new spout is going to go. But first I need to remove it using an Allen key. And now I'm just going to screw this right in and tighten it down. And this one right here, I'm going to leave in, but I'm going to tighten it down since the old one doesn't have that hole. And now it's ready to go on the car. I'm going to start by sliding it in the left side and then aligning it with the tube leading to the intercooler. Next, push the silicone sleeve over and install the two hose clamps. Now I'm just going to tighten that new screw on the left side. And then reconnect the tube going into the spout. Okay, now I'm just going to replace the tube that I removed. Reinstall the engine cover. and that's it. So there you have it. The install was actually pretty easy. I can't believe how easy it was on this W205. Hopefully you guys liked the video. If you do, hit like below. As always, make sure you subscribe, and I will see you next time.